Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm the Fishing Addict, and in this video I'm showing you a productive session on a lake called Manvell Farm in Walgrave, Northamptonshire. I hope that you enjoy the video and like and subscribe because it helps me out a lot, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. I was getting liners already in about 10 minutes, and before I knew it, I was on to my first fish.
I'll get the net. Just tar him out. Just tar him out. Keep watching it. That's scary. Just tar him out. What you got on there? Oh my gosh, right, okay. Let's put the net in.
As you can see here, I'm fighting the first carp from the session, and it was fighting really well, and I knew it had to be about 10 pounds. The lake's really small but has some good 20s and close to 30s in it. It's great to have my dad with me when I go fishing, as he can net the fish and I can deal with them. And as you can see here, the fish is charging towards those margins, but I'm not letting it as I know I could lose it, as the lake only allows barbless hooks, so it's very easy to lose fish with barbless hooks. The fish is getting tired now, and we're just waiting it to come to the surface so we can net it and bring it over to the net. My heart is racing, as I've never caught a carp from this lake before, and I really wanted to get one. This carp brought up such a big battle, my arm was aching after it. It's nearly there. It just doesn't want to give up. We didn't get the netting on camera, but we eventually got the fish in, and it was this nice 10-pound common.
Wow, wait, look at that.
After the first fish, me and Dad went round the lake and saw these nice carp cruising along the surface. But then my granddad arrived, and before I knew it, I was into another fish.
Tease her out. Get this video. Yeah, we're on. Go on, get it, boys. Get in there.
We got the fish onto the mat and I unhooked it, and it was a common carp of about 5 or 6 pounds, but a very beautiful one. About an hour later, my family was still there, and the right hand side rod ripped off, being another common carp and a lot smaller. But sorry for the bad video quality on this video. The camera lens was dirty, but we didn't realise at the time of filming this video.
Blows you. Yes, well done, Jen.
I unhooked the last fish of the session and realised it was a lot smaller, about £4, and the lip was a bit scarred from a previous battle or wound. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and leave any comments if you have any questions about what bait I used or what everything, just anything about that. And if you want to see more videos, like and subscribe, only if you want to, of course. But thank you for watching.